stopping it.
Yeah, that's okay. Are you ready?
Don't put your cat in the washing machine. Meow. To make sure that he's really clean. You don't have to ask Mom or ask the vet, because cats don't like to get wet. Meow, meow. Don't put your cat in the dryer today. Don't put him in there, no way. I can't say it any more emphatically, because cats don't like to get staticky. Don't brush your cat with the Brillo pad. That would be really, really bad. Even you're feeling a little rushed, because cats don't like to get brushed. No, not with the Brillo pad. Meow. Don't put your cat gets a bath all by himself. He doesn't mean to shampoo from off the shelf, but I'm sure he really does appreciate your help. But your cat gets bathed by himself. Meow.
That's great, dude.
Now I'm going to do it crazy.